Now, while this feature is becoming more common in newer phones, as the various OEMs are adding this feature into their OEM ROM, and even some of the most popular custom ROMs have this feature already available, there are still a lot of phones that do not let you set a different lock screen wallpaper than your home screen wallpaper. So just to give you an example, I have the Pixel 2 XL right here. And if I wanted to set one of these as a wallpaper, I can choose it for the home screen, the lock screen, or both. But sadly, again, this feature is not available on all devices. I remember on, I believe it was the OnePlus 3 and the OnePlus 3T, if you were not using the stock OnePlus launcher, then you were not given that option to set a picture as the lock screen wallpaper. So today I just wanted to show you how to use an exposed framework module to set a unique lock screen wallpaper than your home screen wallpaper. So just like yesterday, I'm still using the last page lock screen wallpaper with the blur effect. Whenever we go into GravityBox, we're going to tap on lock screen tweaks. And if you're not sure of how to install Xposed Framework or how to install GravityBox, then be sure to check the full tutorial in the description below this video, as I'll have step-by-step links and instructions on how to do that. So from here, we just want to tap on the background style option. Just like yesterday, we chose the last screen, but this time we're just going to choose the custom image. This gives us a new option here for set custom image. And for right now, we're going to disable that blur effect. Tap on the set custom image. Find the image that you may have downloaded from the internet, or that you just have taken a picture of, or wherever the file is in your gallery. And you can go through here and do any kind of edits that you want. But we're just going to keep this default. We're going to tap on the Done option. And that's going to set the background image to that custom image. So now, whenever we lock the screen and look at the lock screen, we can see that it has been changed from what we had it before, while we are still using the home screen wallpaper that we've had as well. So that is how to set a unique lock screen wallpaper for devices that do not allow this feature, using Xposed Framework and the GravityBox Xposed Module.